Hello everyone and welcome to Quaint. Today we are exploring a topic that often goes undiscussed but is vital for women's health. The topic is intimate hygiene. Yes, we are talking about right now intimate hygiene in this video. And also we will discuss one popular product known as VWash in this space. Okay, so why is this so important? Means I am talking about intimate hygiene. Why is intimate hygiene so important? You know, vagina, this is a delicate part of any woman's body. Yes, no doubt this is delicate, this is known to you. And it maintains a natural pH balance. Okay, it maintains a natural pH balance. And this pH balance is required. But due to everyday factors like sweat, then periods, then stress, then tight clothing. So many factors are there for which the women may feel discomfort, irritation, and even infections. So many problems are there, so many factors are there which can cause discomfort, irritation, and infections. Factors are like tight clothing, sweat, periods, stress, etc. So you know the problems. Okay, what is the solution? So many solutions are there and one such solution is VWash. So here VWash comes in. Okay, so what is the requirement of VWash? Actually VWash contains lactic acid and which is able to maintain the pH level of the vaginal area from 3.5 to 4.5. That is the pH value. Okay, 3.5 to 4.5, and that is the requirement. Why this is the requirement? Because this pH value is the requirement for good bacteria. Some good bacteria are there in the vaginal area, and this pH value also is able to prevent infection-causing microbes. Yes, some microbes are there which actually cause infections in that area. Okay, so this pH value means the range is from 3.5 to 4.5. This pH value is suitable to prevent those infection-causing microbes. And I have also mentioned that is good for the good bacteria. That pH value is the requirement for the good bacteria. So this was all about VWash. And one more thing, when you should use this product. Actually you can use every day this product. According to the requirement, you can use this. Just before and after the sexual intercourse, you should use this product. Just before and after the sexual intercourse, during menstruation, you can use this product. After gym workouts, you should use this product. Or in case of any discomfort such as excess sweat, you should use this product. Okay, because maintaining good hygiene in that area is the requirement. Okay, and remember, hygiene is nothing but self-respect. Anyway, so this was all about the product VWash and intimate hygiene. Okay, and why this is required, I have already mentioned all those things here in this video. And one more thing, I have added a link which is actually Amazon affiliate link. Okay, Amazon affiliate link. By using that link, by clicking that link, actually you can buy the product according to your requirement. Product means here VWash. Okay, and at no extra cost to you. Okay, it won't cost you any extra amount. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. This is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Okay, anyway, thanks for watching. One more thing I need to add here, that is some myths are there, like all soaps are fine down there. That is actually myth. Okay, all soaps are not fine down there. because the regular soaps can actually disrupt the pH balance. Okay, and that's why regular soaps are not suitable for that area. So in that case, you have to be cautious, and you should use either VWash or such products. Anyway, just keep in your mind that regular soaps are not suitable for that area because that can disrupt the natural pH requirement. Means actually what is the pH requirement that is known to you, and that can be disrupted by using regular soaps over there. Anyway, so that was the myth number 1. What was the myth? All soaps are fine down there. That was the myth. And the second myth is what VWash causes side effects. No, VWash doesn't cause any side effect because VWash is actually a dermatologically and gynecologically tested product. Both dermatologically and gynecologically tested product. But if you are using this product VWash for the first time, so you should go for a patch test. Okay, so this was the addition to this video. Okay, actually in the first part of this video I just totally forgot to mention this thing. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.